Power Query gives us 6 joins that are so helpful if you have to compare lists, merge lists, ask what's in this data set that's not in this other data set. You got to know the joins. But they are hard to understand. It took me a while to get this because they're named things like left outer, inner, right anti-join. But inside of what? Anti of what? Left of what? I am going to save you that pain right now. Let's start this way. We've got 2 lists. We've got people who are required to attend a session and people who are actually enrolled. We can see Eunice is required but not enrolled. Nisha is in both lists. Joe is enrolled but not required. Let's look at it this way. Now with the arrows we see Sam, Nisha, Lloyd, Anton are in both lists. Now with them paired up, now things start looking like our old friend from 8th grade, the Venn diagram. On the left side, we have the people who are required, Eunice, Ty, Latika, Colette, Karen, all required, but then they are not at all in the enrolled side. All right, so let's step through each of the joins. The inner join, that is everybody who is in both lists. Left outer join, that is everybody on the left side, whether they're in the right side or not. Left anti-join, that's everybody on the left side who does not also have a match on the right side. Right outer join, everybody on the right side, whether they have a match or not on the left side. That's everybody who's enrolled, whether they're required or not. Right anti-join, everybody on the right side who does not have a match on the left side. Full outer join, this is everybody, left side, right side, and if they have a match, they are matched up. Now I'm going to show you something really curious that you need to know. We're talking left and right sides, but then when we get to the Power Query interface, there is no left and right. There's a top and a bottom. So we have to think of the left as the top, the right as the bottom. So we could have fun with this and say a left anti-join is really a top anti-join. So there are all 6 of your joins. Get to know them because they are invaluable when you have to work with multiple data sets.